So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download .NET 8.0. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down until we find .NET Desktop Runtime. There's going to be x64 and x86 installers. To know which one you need, you want to go to search and type in system information. Click on it. And now once we're here, next to system type, it's going to be telling you, I'm on x64, so I'm going to be getting this download. Most of you guys are also going to be on x64 like me. So for me, I'm going to download x64. It should now start downloading automatically. If it did not start downloading, then click right here, which will then start the download for you. Now once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And now this will come up. You want to click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Just wait for this. And now once that's been done, you can now close out of this. For the last step, just restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.